Okay, this is a wallet order for Jasmine. She wanted a skateboarding penguin. Trying this picture. It's all duct tape except for the eyes and little belts right there. Everything else is duct tape. The wheels. Yeah, everything. There's no foldovers. Okay, and the billfold. And it has 4 pockets. Breathe. The brims are all straight, and yeah, it's a really nice wallet. So that's the inside. See the outside. I'll be sending it out when I get the money. So yeah, hope you like it. Bye.